Hi, I'm Marius Negru. I'm a shoulder surgeon working at HC Marbella. I'm going to talk to you about the navigated shoulder replacement, which is a new procedure available for you here in HC. This is a cutting-edge technology that allows the surgeon to precisely cut the bone and provide much more accuracy into the cuts that we do in the bone and to the implanting the components of the shoulder replacement. In order to have this procedure, you will require a very well planned computer tomography or a TAC scan that will allow us to plan the procedure and to use a computer software to provide a prediction of the best that your shoulder can be. The Equinox Exactech planning app allows the surgeon to foresee the amount of movement the patient will have after the procedure in terms of rotation and flexion of the arm, and it's even able to assess the amount of pain and the functionality of the shoulder. The Predict Plus, it's a new addition to the software that allows a very good accuracy in predicting the outcome of the procedure. With the navigated shoulder, we will be able to precisely cut the bone and follow the plan using a navigation system and sensors that are mounted on your body, and that will guide the instruments that are used to drill and cut to reproduce with precision the plan made by the computer. I'm excited to be able to offer this groundbreaking technology here in HC, and I'm looking forward to have as many happy patients as we can. Looking forward to seeing you soon.